Here is Coco going for a walk. Then when he go back inside, he's gonna get his dinner that I make for him. His Sunday dinner. He's gonna get his Sunday dinner. Right, Coco? Go tell people about your dinner. He's doing so good. Thank God his ears is getting better. So as I see, as you watch the video, I tell you I have to start cook for him because I don't know what kind of food to buy to give him. I don't know. And I want when he pass from old age. He don't pass because he gets sick because of the food that he's eating, you know, and then he have to be living on these doctor medicine and all of that. No. So I'm doing my best to make sure I take care of him the best way I can. You see, he looks bushy because he wants a trim. But I don't wanna groom him now because it's cold, so that he have his hair to keep him warm. So I just bathe him and, you know, and let him stay. I don't know how far I'm gonna walk to. What are you looking for? What are you doing? Stop scratching dirt. I'm gonna get one of those all-in-one shoes where you put it on like how you put your harness on, so that when you go outside you don't scratch. You don't scratch. God have mercy. You ain't got nothing in you to pee. You pee out everything already. Make up your mind. I don't know how far he's walking to. Well, let's see. You're turning back now? You're not going any further? Come on, run. You want to run? What are you looking for? Come on, head on. Yes, run, Coco. Run, Coco, run. Run, Coco, run. Run, Coco, run. Run, you're running home. Yes, you're running home. Yes, you're running home. Run home, Coco. Run home. Run. Run home, saying, I'm far away from home. I'm far away from home. Let me go home. Let me go home. Let me go home. Realize that you're close to home, so you don't have to run anymore, huh? Say, I'm close to home. I don't have to run anymore. I know where I'm at. I know where I'm at now. I don't have to run anymore. So he went for a walk. Now he's eating his dinner. See him eating his dinner? Yay. We are on left it for. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And please, to subscribe to my channel, please watch the video and subscribe and share. So that's your boy Coco.